Hello friend, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful large arrangement for any occasion. I am using most of white and green color, so let's watch together. Let's make this beautiful, large, luxury arrangement for any place, any area you want to use it, you can. Container is one of old style silver that you can find in your any place. Anytime you see this kind of container, very nice and large, try to grab it and save it for your day that you may need it. I put plastic container inside with two foam and I wrapped around it bubble wrap to make sure it's not moving and it's very secure and sturdy. I start to do covering some of this bubble wrap that I have around the container. I am using eucalyptus. This kind of eucalyptus is very nice and fragile look, smell good, and it's very useful. You can cover this area and you can give nice, good depth to your arrangement. You can go all area as much as you can. These are very nice and easy to use. Make sure that they are also giving nice, good look to your arrangement as well as smell. And then we are going to use our primary. I always use primary flower to create height and shape and look of arrangement, and then eventually go to secondary, filler, and if need more greenery, more greenery. Now I am trying just to cover as much as possible this wrapper that I have in the area. I will add more and more as much as because we have enough room to cover all area with this nice, smell good greenery. I need to add, as you see, I need to add more here to cover. Okay, I'm adding more and more to cover as much as I can. I don't want black container shows, of course. More greenery anyway in the bottom shows nicer look to finish part of the project. Now I'm going to start with my tall primary. We have two kind of primary. Tall primary, I am going to use tall larkspur. I think in past I used go everywhere in the center to create height of this arrangement. As you can see, depth and this is height. You can go higher or lower. These are very nice larkspur, very fully open. Some of them can go to side, some of them can stay in front and back. It has to be all round. I have some snapdragon I would like to use and incorporate with my larkspur. So these are very beautiful. Again, you are going to create nice, good depth and height first with your primary flower. This is still my primary flowers. This arrangement could go anywhere. For wedding, for funeral, lobby, not as a centerpiece, I don't recommend this, but can go around the signature table, cake table, lobby of any hotel. So you can use this almost everywhere. I am using a little bit more of this snapdragon. Snapdragons are very nice and they are coming all color. But again, they are summer flower. In spring, you can find some nice, but they are not very full and dense as they are coming in summer. After I am done with my primary and create shape, which is wide and tall, I am going to fill up some area with this beautiful hydrangea. We are going almost everywhere with hydrangea. You can cut them ahead of the time. Make sure to use them immediately, otherwise hydrangea is very sensitive. So I'm gonna add more everywhere, same size. I love hydrangea, and if you really take care of them, they last good. If you treat them well, they are okay. Almost our line and structures of design is showing height and depth. Now I'm going to use some white Vendella roses. Vendella roses are usually very nice. If you leave it out of refrigerator, they open very good, the way that you want. At least one night ahead of the time, before any project, make sure they are out of refrigerator. And then we can go to any area that you like to add more. I go with the petals out. When it's open like this, make sure they are going nice area that they can stand out and show their perfect beauties. Okay, so continue with roses everywhere. Just give them nice, good fresh cut and put them anywhere that you like. For this type of design, maybe we don't need filler. Maybe we can add some more of different flower. I try to use mostly common flower without any problem, price, and seasonal. These are actually not white, they are ivory, Vendella. Few more roses, and then we need to add filler, a little bit of filler. I think for this reason I have some of this, they call it Veronica. They are very nice product to use to cover the mechanic or some of the area. I will go in between, add few, not necessarily too much. They are nice contrast they give to your design. You can see it's more complete, and I don't think we need anything else. Okay, this is our finished product. Thank you for watching and thank you for your time. Subscribe this channel. Check us at minadesignschool.com for more detail about any design that you like. Thank you.